Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In today's episode, we're going to be getting these wheels prepared, ready for fitment to a 2025 Range Rover Sport. They're 23-inch. I believe they're autobiography wheels and they are ready to fit. But we're going to go through and give them a ceramic coating, preparation, treatment in readiness for fitting to the vehicle. Gtechniq C5 Wheel Armour is a high-performance ceramic coating specifically engineered for alloy wheels and brake calipers. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius, it offers superior protection against the brake dust, road grime and corrosive contaminants. Thanks to its chemical bonding technology, C5 creates a durable, long-lasting barrier that makes cleaning wheels significantly easier whilst maintaining a sleek, glossy finish, ideal for both everyday drivers and high-performance vehicles. C5 helps to preserve the appearance and integrity of your wheels with minimal maintenance. Like all jobs, you need to read and understand the instructions before proceeding with the works. It's recommended to do test samples on this product to make sure that it's obviously not going to cause any issues. I know this product is pretty good, so I'm very confident that we're going to have no problems here. Once you've got your bottle of wheel armour, give it a jolly good shake, ready for application. With the lint applicator, put several drops of the ceramic coating on and apply to the wheel, making sure you cover every area possible. Once it's applied, leave for no more than 30 to 40 seconds and then buff off with a microfiber cloth, and that is the process complete. And obviously repeat that for all your wheels, and hopefully you'll have wheels to die for. It's now 12 hours. I'll come back. Catch you. Oh, look at them. Right, they've had overnight cure, so they're pretty much now ready to be fitted to the vehicle. So wait for the car to arrive and I'll get fitted. So this is a 15ml bottle of Gtechniq C5 Wheel Armour. And I spoke to a good friend of mine, Steve. He said that his 13-inch alloys on his Mini, he can use the bottle twice to cover off the wheels. Now these are 23-inch alloys, so one bottle covered 4 wheels and that was it. Absolutely nothing left in it, it's completely bone dry. So yeah, I'm glad that's a good job done. I've done the outside, done the inside, and I'm ready now to fit into the car. So yeah, let's wait for a bit of sunshine, wait for the car to arrive. And then we'll get these absolutely monsters of wheels fitted up. Right, so that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Join me next time where I'm going to fit these wheels to the car. And really hope you've enjoyed this. This product is extremely good, very readily available from many places. Highly recommend it. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this and you look forward to the next one, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below what you think about this product and if you've used it before or any alternatives. And if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It really means a lot to me and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, take it easy.